Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to make a simple background remove animation background remove tutorial. It's a simple, just use one click and remove the background. Okay, let's go. We are start now. Open a image, is a orange, a simple orange, background is white. Go to the layer, unlock the layer, and then go to properties. Just press remove background. The background has already removed. Thank you for all, and subscribe my channel for new tips and tricks.